Hey kindergarten, we're here to talk about a new reading strategy, and it's called Flippy Dolphin. And really, that's just a cute name for changing the short vowel to a long vowel sounds, because you know that vowels have two sounds. They have the short sound like a, I, and and they have their long sound, which is their name, A-E-I-O-U. And so this strategy is used when you read something and it doesn't sound right. You try the long vowel in it, okay? Now, I'm going to use this really also as a review of Magic E, but the first time I read it, it's going to be funny because I'm going to forget about Magic E. And so, oh, here's a beautiful one. I can mac a cack. Wait a minute, that doesn't sound right. I don't mac, I make. I can make a, not cack, cake. See how I flip the vowels? At first I tried a short vowel because I'm so used to doing short vowels. I said mac. I forgot about that the E was giving all its power to the A. So if it doesn't sound right, you want to flip it from a short vowel to a long vowel. Let's see what this one says. Let me just read it, forgetting about long vowels, okay? It is Tim to Bick. What? You don't say it is Tim to Bick. You say it is, say the long vowel, time to bike. Oh my goodness. If I don't know about long vowels, I might say this one says my fac is cut. But it doesn't say my fac is cut. That doesn't make any sense. We have to flip the vowel. My face is cute. So, Magic E gives the power to the vowel to say its name. So without the E, we have dim, but now we have dime. Here we have cut, and if you put the Magic E on, you get cute. Oh my goodness. Rid gets changed to ride, and kit gets changed to kite. Now, when you read something and you put a short vowel in and it just doesn't sound right, will you remember our friend Flippy and flip it and see if a long vowel sounds better? Well, let's see what Jack has to say about silent E.
Silent E, come on and learn with me. Silent E, will help you write and read. Silent E. When letter E is at the end of some words, it's called silent E. When it can't be heard, silent E jumps one consonant back to the vowel and tells it to say the long vowel sound. Here's the word at. A says ah. Add silent E to the end of the word. Now you have 8. A says A. Silent E. Here's the word pet. E says eh. Add silent E to the end of the word. Now you have Pete. E says E. Silent E. Here's the word kit. I says I. Add silent E to the end of the word. Now you have says I. Silent E. Silent E, silent E. Come on and learn with me. Silent E, silent E. We'll help you write and read. Here's the word hop. O says ah. Add silent E to the end of the word. Now you have hope. O says O. Silent E. Here's the word cut. U says Add silent E to the end of the word. Now you have cute. U says U. Silent E. Silent E, silent E. Come on and learn with me. Silent E, silent